Hey, what's up, everybody? Midwest Buick Guy here. It's January 30th, Sunday, 2022. A little cold. It's about 42 in here, but I believe it's like 30, 32 outside. I thought they said it's supposed to be 40, 50 today, but no. The weathermen are always right. Well, but anyway, doing a little video on the exhaust on the car here. As you know, last video I got the headers and stuff on. And you really can't see anything, but I love my new welder. No Pro at welding. Thin stuff, that is. Get down here in the ground. Anyway, I don't know if you guys can see any of that stuff. I do not have any collector gaskets on here at all. And these ain't even tight, so it's going to leak when I start it. Two and a half inch. My little Frankenstein. I like my Frankenstein look. It's got some old Flowmaster. I think they call them Super 10 series or something. I wanted that more hot rodder sound, instead of cast iron. I wanted the headers, bigger exhaust. Let's start this up. Give it a listen. This is not a cold start. Cool down a lot, probably. Don't mind the fans. I'm going to start it without the fans first. The fans are louder than the damn engine. It should be cooled down enough, probably about 150, 140 now. Let's see. Believe it or not, this is the original spare to this car, 1972. I don't even know what it is. Vector? Goodyear Vector, 14 inch. Here, I'm gonna try some. See if it sounds better. See if the sound quality sounds any better outside. I do not know if that helped or not on the sound. I don't know why the phone just don't want to pick it up. Yeah, about 180. It's got a 180 thermostat. 35 pounds of oil pressure. That's really good for a hot, tired 350 Buick motor. All right, let me shut this off. One more wrap on the throttle. Oh yeah. Not too bad. Not too bad, everybody. All right. Trying to get ready for spring. Still got to do some body work. Rust hole on there. Lower fender. Get this new welder going. Already got some metal for it. No professional whatsoever at nothing. Been working on cars since I was a teenager. Me and my friend, but by extra far, not a professional or anything. Know how to do everything, but not a pro at nothing. I do want to give a shout out to all the guys who inspired me off of YouTube videos. Started out with Derek at Vice-Grip Garage. Probably watched every one he had. I love DD Speed Shop up in Canada. Lunar Outlaw Garage. Love watching your guys' videos. My God, DD Speed Shop. I think his last video said it was like 40 degrees below zero. It's 30 degrees here, and I'm in Missouri, Midwest. Everything's shut down and people are dying off, it seems like. Crazy. 40 below zero. I guess he's talking Fahrenheit. I don't know Celsius stuff. I don't know metric crap. But, man, Lunar Outlaw, I think you're up in, New York or something? Always cold, snowy up there. Seen you laying on the ground, rolling around in snow. I only want to do it here in this garage floor. It's too cold. I've been sick for a couple weeks, and winter sucks. But God bless you guys. You're some strong, tough dudes, man, that deal with cold like that. Crazy. I don't know how you guys do it. God bless you guys. Also, more ski repair. I watch all of you guys' car videos on there. That's what inspired me. A couple years ago, I never even had a cell phone. Never even looked at a computer. No idea what I'm doing. I don't know how to edit nothing. It's crazy, but I love it. I love watching your guys' video. Keep up the good work. I love it, man. It inspired me big time to do this. I mean, I've been doing this for years, but videotaping. Who ever thought in the past? I'm a late 70s, 80s, 90s kid. Who would ever thought we'd videotape? You never videotape nothing. Who would thought it would be such a big thing? It's crazy. I love it, though. I didn't think I would, but I do. Thank you guys for inspiring me. Lunar Outlaw Garage. I know. Well, you say you like your Buicks. You're a Buick guy. Well, you like everything, I know. So do I. I'm Buick, Ford, Chevy. Anything cool, it's cool. I don't care. And I'm sure the same with all you guys. But Lunar Outlaw Garage. This is a 72 Buick Skylark, like the base model. It came with a 350 two-barrel engine car. Like I said, I've had it for, I think, 38 years. This is the second engine. The first engine, 72, it's back there somewhere, buried in the corner. It's blowed up, bearings are shot, a little too much RPM racing. This motor here, under the red towel, shirt, whatever, that's a 1970 350 Buick 4-barrel engine. I believe I looked it up, I believe it's 9.5 to 1 compression, much higher horsepower than this. This one in there now, it came out of a 1974 Buick Apollo, kind of looks like the Chevy Nova. High mileage tired motor. All I did was paint it, make it pretty. New timing chain and gears. It's got the TA Performance aluminum intake, 4-barrel Rochester Quadrajet, which I rebuilt, which again, no professional at nothing. I mean, can't really go wrong. You know, you got the accelerator pump, new gaskets, knee seat, new float, put it back together, boom. Can't really go wrong. It runs pretty good though. This is a peppy motor. It's got a posi rear end, 23 gears, 350 turbo with the little shift kit in it. Get a good second gear. Little peppy little thing for a tired motor. It's peppy. And we'd love to have a 455. Never had a 455 before. I'd love to squeeze one in there. But down here in the Midwest, they're getting awful pricey. Unless you get a junk one. And then they're getting hard to find and really pricey. But anyway, thanks for inspiring me, guys. I love your videos. Keep up the good work. That's why I'm doing this video. After I do this, I'm going to go inside, sit down, and watch some more videos. And I hope you guys like what I'm doing. I'm new at this stuff. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I don't know how to edit anything. I probably already said all this crap. But anyway, peace out. Everybody stay safe. Be healthy. Have a good rest of the winter.